Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we're going to go ahead and draw Bingo swimming with the fishes. So first we're going to start with her eyes. We're going to make 2 circles just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and draw her nose. And now we're going to go down and connect it to her mouth. Wow, just like that. Let's give her some teeth and a tongue. Now we're going to go ahead and draw her eyes. So we're going to do half a circle and then another big circle here. Let's draw her eyebrows. And now we're going to go ahead and draw one of her ears. Up and down. Now we're going to go down and draw her arm. Now we're going to connect the rest of her body all the way up and draw her other arm. Now where her belly is, we're going to do a circle, just like so. Now we're going to draw her 2 feet. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Great, that looks lovely. Now let's draw a big fish here. So we're going to start with the eyes, 1 small circle, then a big circle. And now we're going to draw the fish's body. So we're going to do a bigger circle than this. Ooh, just like that. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's give her a mouth and a cute little smile. These are her fins. She looks so happy. And now we're going to draw some seaweed. So we're going to go up a few squiggles and back down again. Great, that's 3 so far. Let's do a few more. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's draw the bottom of the ocean. And now we're going to draw a starfish. That looks amazing, friends. Now let's move on to the left side and draw another seaweed. Now we're going to draw a small little fish right at the top. And a few more bubbles. Wow, how many fishes do you see so far? Let's count them together. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and there's another one. There's 6 fishes. Wow, they look so happy. That looks amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and color in our Bluey and our fishes. Wow, that looks so colorful and bright. Well done. Bluey blowing some bubbles. Let's start with the nose. So we're going to make a circle right here. Now we're going to connect the rest of her nose and her mouth. Wow, great. Now we're going to draw a little tongue. And 2 eyes. So 1 small circle here and 1 small circle here. Now she needs some eyebrows, so let's give her 2 beautiful eyebrows. Wow, that looks great. Now let's give her some ears. So we're gonna go up and then down, up and then down, just like that. Fantastic. Now let's fill the insides. Now we're going to go down and draw the rest of her body. So down we go, up again. And now let's draw her arm. Now she's going to hold a bubble bottle, just like this. Now let's draw her tail. Great, now we're going to draw her feet, so 1 foot here and 1 foot here. There we go, she's got 2 feet, just like that. Now on the other hand, she's going to be holding the bubble wand. So we're going to draw her hand, and here's the bubble wand. She'll be blowing beautiful big bubbles, just like that. Let's go ahead and draw her spot on the side and all the small details on the bottle for the lid. Now we're going to draw a big bubble right here. Fantastic! Now let's do a few little ones, small circles at the top. Woohoo! And now a big bubble right at the top, just like that. That looks amazing. Let's do a few more on the left side. Great! That looks brilliant. Now we're going to go ahead and color in Bluey. Wow, she looks so happy. She's having so much fun. Well done. That was so interesting. Let's start with a circle for her nose. And now we're going to draw a triangle, just like so. That looks so good. Now we're going to connect the rest of her nose to her mouth, just like that. Now we're going to give her some teeth and a tongue. What else do we need to draw? Oh, let's draw her 2 eyes, 1 circle here, and another circle right here, just like that. Wow, it's looking so good. Now we're going to draw the rest of her head. So we're going to go round, up for the eyebrows, and up for the eyebrows again, and down. Great, that looks lovely. Now we're going to draw her ears, so up we go, and then down, and finish off the eyebrows. And now we're going to do the same for the other side. We're going to finish the eyebrows and go up for her ears and down back again, just like that. Oh, she's coming together really well. Now let's draw a watermelon. So let's draw the bite marks, just like so, and then the ends of the watermelon. Great, now let's do another bite mark like that. Now we're going to go down with our pen and connect it back up again. And again. Wow, that looks amazing. Now let's draw Bingo's hands holding the watermelon. Again for the other hand. That's looking really good so far. Now we're going to draw her feet. 1, 2. Ooh, what else are we missing? A tail. That's right. Let's draw her tail. Wow, I love it. What else do we need? The watermelon pits. Let's draw them in. And now we're going to draw the juice drops. Yummy! That looks so good! Now we're going to go ahead and color in Bingo! Wow, that looks so colorful! Great job! Till next time! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Bye-bye!